In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to book American Airlines with Amex points. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Before I start teaching you the process in this video, I want to make a disclaimer and say that you cannot transfer your Amex points directly to the American Airlines. So in this video, I'm gonna show you a workaround to this that is going to allow you to get American Airline flights. However, you will not be transferring it straight into American Airlines. What you have to do is go to the official American Express website and click Rewards and Benefits at the top. In here, select Membership Rewards. You will be redirected to this page. Select Earn and Redeem and then Transfer Points. Now, scroll down and you are going to be able to see the transfer partners that they have. Like I mentioned, American Airlines is not here because it is impossible to transfer Amex points directly to American Airlines. So the alternative that you have is to transfer your points into the British Airways. British Airways is a partner of the American Airlines, which means that as long as you use British Airways, you will be able to find American airline flights. All you have to do after you make this transfer by logging in with the process I'm showing you here, select log in and include the amount that you want to transfer. After you log into your American Express account, go back to British Airways, select book and then book a flight with Avios. You are going to receive these Avios for the Amex points that you transfer, and you will be able to use them to look for your American Express flights. On the British Airways page, you simply have to start a search as you would like any other flight, and as long as you have Avios available, you are going to be able to use them at checkout for any American Airlines flight like this one. I hope I was able to help you on how to book American Airlines with Amex points. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.